This is a mechanical keyboard. I bought this 5 years ago, and it's been a good keyboard, I have to say. But time hasn't been good with him, and some of the keys doesn't work. This arrows keys don't work anymore, and the space doesn't work a lot, and the B doesn't work really well. So I have to tear apart and try to fix the keys. So I just removed all the keys, and this is the switches. I am impressed with the quality of this keyboard. I mean, it's a Chinese keyboard. It's nothing special, and yet it's really good. It's tough. It's waterproof, and if you see these keyboards lying around in some store on your local town, I would encourage you to buy it because it's perfect. Take a look at this. Just take a look at this. It's great. It's absolutely amazing how well fabricated this thing is. So the keys are faulty, or space, and some of these, I don't know. I just need to see the picture of my keyboard that I taken with my phone, and those are bad as well. So, and start one, this one is bad. So I just need to desolder them and extract them from that, and I don't know, disassemble them with a knife or something, and that's it. So here we have two keys disassembled, and this one is the good key and this one is a bad key. As you can see, these pieces of metal are bent, kind of bent. This one barely works, and it's been really annoying because it's a left key. It's quite annoying not to have them functionally very well. I just kind of fixed the pieces of metal, and I think I've just fixed this thing. Response is better. It's better than before. So I think that's it for this key. I think it's ready to go. Well, now all the faulty keys are functional. Very easy, pretty good product, I have to say. Pretty tough and reliable, I have to say. Well, now it's pretty responsive. Yeah, it's better. It's better, and well, I think that's all for today.